So yesterday was Mother's Day, and I didn't put a message out yesterday, but I want to put this out here today. To my sons, Mother's Day is not about me. It's about you, because your existence made me a mother. Because every day that I have spent with you was the greatest joy of my entire life. Because God gifted me two amazing blessings that came wrapped in a small package. Every moment was worth it. Every moment I would do all over again 1,000,000 times. I have no regrets in anything because it was a learning process and it made me better. I pray every single day for you. I love you more and more every day. As God is growing me, my love for you gets even bigger and stronger than I ever thought it could be. Never doubt for even 1 second that you are loved, not just by our Father in heaven, our Creator, who knitted you and knew you before He even formed you in your mother's womb, but that He placed you in the womb of a mother who loves you and has loved you unconditionally with all of her heart every single day. You are a gift. You are the best gift. You are valued. You are loved. You are cherished. You are in my heart, and you always will be, and you've never left. I love you. I pray for you. I believe in you. God bless you. Love always. Your mama.